draw the ice cream with me. Let's start it. First of all, draw a U shape. Draw the lines with scale. Draw the stick of the ice cream. Look, the ice cream is ready. It looks so yummy and tasty. Let's draw the another ice cream. Let's draw the another U shape. Draw the lines with scale. Then draw a stick. It's so easy and simple. I like to draw the ice cream. It's so yummy and tasty. I want to eat this. Wow, that's awesome. This drawing is so beautiful and amazing. Draw the zigzag lines in one ice cream. Draw the straight lines in the another ice cream. It makes the drawing so beautiful. Let's coloring the ice cream with me. I like coloring, so I color this drawing. I like different colors in the drawing, so I use different colors.